سلام سلام كلاتكم مع إريساراتv خاتاتلتي كمي كنيكم فعل أفاس جاندا برنار معنتي كبرتجا شيء حزن كم تسلكوا زفتوا من حزاي my best friend أو غير شابو friend يا سلام تبلكم الله
Salam.
سلام تبلكم
I'm learning slowly. Alright.
أولو معنتي نحنا إيسترن ناي سعدو إيسترن تفللي كنا قرايلة عندنا خطوها نحنا إيسترن ناتهم إيسترن فريقوا مالتي. This is our tradition, what we do, what we eat on the day. Normally is like you have to gather up with all the family, but because of the COVID, you're not allowed to meet up more than one person. Yeah, otherwise we'll be here flooded with people today. And then I'm going to introduce her. Well, we do everything on Easter. Easter on the day is just only one day, but we prepare for Easter a month before.
Okay.
So what we do is we clean the house inside out. The curtain, the bed sheet, windows, the walls. Oh, absolutely. That's a part of the tradition. We have to prepare, we have to clean everything. So for Easter to come. And then we do 40 days fasting.
Okay.
Now it's fasting. When I say fasting, is we fast for all the dairy products.
Okay.
We don't eat any meat, egg, all that stuff. No idea? I haven't got it all for me.
Nice. Very nice. So special.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you. But this coffee is smelling everywhere.
Yeah, good. It smells good. So special.
Thank you.
Yes.
So what we do on Easter, before Easter, 35 days is fasting.
Okay.
So we don't eat any dairy product. So like my mom, a lot of people in Eritrea, they stay. 35 days is the fasting and 5 days is the hamamat, right? Yeah. So the 35 is don't eat any fast. It's just a kind of the same. It's 40 days.
Okay.
But 35 days is like you can stay until 3 o'clock. No food, no drink, no nothing.
Okay.
And then like all the people, they go to church and pray. Younger people, they go to work or to school, like hungry. And then they fast, that's the fasting. And then the 5 days, which is these 5 days, is called hamamat. From Monday until Friday is like intense fasting.
Okay.
Which is people, they stay hungry until 5 o'clock sometimes. Normally it's end of the church mass at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
Okay.
And then after that you go to church and then there's a special prayer, it's called Klada. So,
Okay.
and they stay there until 5 o'clock and they come home, eat. They break the fasting. But when we break the fasting, we don't eat meat again. We don't eat any dairy food. So then comes the next Good Friday. Friday is the whole day fasting. In Eritrea, everything is closed. It's like a bank holiday.
Like a bank holiday. Yeah.
And then no one eats, no one goes to school, no work, everything is day. So it's very holy day.
Okay.
And then Good Friday, we go to church, we pray until 6 o'clock, we stay there. And then it's a special prayer, especially for Good Friday. And then after Good Friday, we come home, we eat like, we got a lot of food. Yeah.
With family.
Yeah, with the family. And then if there's a single family friend, they come to the house and then they have to join you. So that's what we do. And then Good Friday, Saturday, when the Good Friday is finished, Saturday is in the morning, you're allowed to eat. But no dairy food.
Okay.
Just you can wake up and eat breakfast.
Okay.
It's called Tzan'i Day, right? Tzan'i. You go to church and then you get like some skinny grass. In the press they give you and then you have to put in the head. That's
Okay.
you're about to break the fasting. And Saturday evening, a lot of people go to church. Like people go my club in here.
Yeah.
In there, they go to church the whole night. So by midnight, which we call it resurrection, right?
It's
When-
all about Yeah, the resurrection of Jesus for us found in France. Or
resurrection, that day, that time, everyone goes to the church.
Okay.
That midnight, or majority Christian, they go to church and they have to go and pray and kiss the cross.
Okay.
That is showing God is risen, right? Yeah. And then after that, you come home, we eat gat. Gat is called like porridge.
Okay.
But with butter and some spicy yogurt.
Mm-hmm.
That's the tradition. So that's the
nice.
first thing. You break your fasting in the midnight.
Okay.
You wake up, you go to church, and then when you come back as a family, everyone eats that porridge.
Okay.
Once you eat the gat, in the morning you can eat whatever you want. Okay.
Okay. That's full of a lot of tradition.
Oh yeah.
And ritual. That's lovely.
And then
I'm really happy
Saturday.
to learn about it.
Oh yeah, we got one day.
Yeah.
For the last
Definitely
14 years since I came to London.
Yeah, it starts to be some time now.
Yeah, to France. She came from France. I came from London. We used to work together, and then we stayed friends. And the one day I'll take her Eritrea. Promise you guys.
I want to. I need to get one of your lovely dressing.
Oh,
it's beautiful. I love the fabrics and colors. Always look really nice.
Thank you.
So what's next with this?
So now we're gonna blend this.
Okay.
Turn it to like a powder.
Mm-hmm.
Super small, but we just.
So you mentioned in powder from that stage.
I've got a machine. Normally back home we just do it. I don't know what to call it. Magdoon.
Yeah, I do that also with my garlic. But
yeah, like that one. Like
you do.
Yeah. Normally we do it in back home, but in here we got a machine. We're gonna blend it.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put in this bad boy called Jabana.
Okay. It smells very strong, and I love strong coffee. So sounds promising.
There you go. I'm gonna blend this one. We come back to you guys, okay?
Okay, let's do this.
Now we're gonna make the coffee, and then later we're gonna eat lunch, okay?
Okay.
Coffee, no sugar.
No sugar.
Ariana. I like sugar. So it's grounded, and then we put it here. You boil it. You saw everything.
Yes.
I like this now. You like it black?
Yeah, black. Would be perfect.
This is
So you left some space for your milk?
Yeah. So this is how we celebrate our Easter. We call it Fasika.
Okay.
Shame there's not much people in here, but hey, I've got you, I've got the family, it's okay.
Perfect.
There you go.
Thank you.
I'll turn this one down.
Sounds perfect. I never saw it made.
There you go, this is the Eritrean way.
I drink it many occasions, but it was really nice to actually see how you make it.
I'll give it to you, this one. It's a vegan cake, right? It's a nice own cake. احنا بجزانا ناي صومينا نبلع والحنتي ناي انسسا سجا تبان قاع حوس لدي نبلع إذا كنت تري ورا لهم is night صومي. Sarah.
Thank you.
I've got a spoon here.
Thank you. I love the coffee.
Is it strong?
Yeah, it's good. As I like it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Some biscuit.
Thank you. Sounds like cocoa.
Yeah.
Coconut biscuit.
Sarah, Baba? Baba?
Even not popcorn? Come on, popcorn.
Let's go. Salam alaikum, Sarah. Say hello. سلام بلي حبيبك بلي نري حبيبك
I love your dress, Sierra. It's beautiful.
Hey,
your little mommy, huh?
Hey, okay, كده نانا بيات حبيبي بلي أكيد okay. How is the cake?
I'm waiting for you.
Are you going to have any? I am.
You should.
نغدا بحساو دامت كلاتكم تواتي أبدأ قد اللهم فلا أبدأ قزلنا تتعب بيانا بيشرح لنا فليز بري نيرو بس فاميلي يستر فاسقة خالق يمانا نحن يما أبدأ كنس متخادم قرب كبيري بلي إما تتخالتكم بليس تبوياتنا هالفوق أوش تغير له للدس أو رأمت سي أوش تنايل له بس درانا سلزي لنا لكم أي تستماسوا أنا كبيري يمكن بتتكالكم تبوياتنا What I'm saying is, it's different when you spend it back home because you got family, friends, neighbors.
I can imagine. I feel
but
the
when
same.
you come to here, this is like a few years since I got kids. I'm celebrating it. Otherwise, I have to celebrate Easter for European as well because I'm always at work or studying. So a lot of people they feel it, especially when you grow up in back home. Like me, because you feel it when it comes to Easter, Christmas, any special event.
Yeah.
You feel it. You miss your family. You miss your friend, neighbors.
The most important.
Yeah. Stuff.
True.
So enjoy your day. Like do your best. Yeah. Make it the best.
And be grateful.
Be grateful. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. We're alive. We're doing stuff. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, my friend. It's perfect with the cake, and the cake is really nice. So you said it was a vegan cake.
This is vegan cake, as we don't eat any animal product. I've been vegan like 3 years. In here, we don't eat any meat, any egg, milk, anything.
Yeah.
To replace that, there is a lot of stuff. It comes from plant-based. So please watch what you're eating, people, friend, family, كلاتكم. غدم وطعمتكم. How is your coffee, Lily?
It's perfect. Nothing to say.
Sarah? What's happening?
Aww.
Have it. Cake لك ice cream لك cake. ها؟ جلاتة. حبيب؟ pasta لك?
I wish I bring the one with me for you.
I know.
For Sierra.
Yeah, for Sierra. Would I get a cookie? اوه انتبه اوريك كان زكي يغني لي سلام يا سيرة انت تاخذ تمرين كده يا وينه ناكل شعب ما يتصوم فينا نبلع مهنتو أبكزنا كلنا فيجننا ساعات نسموه حملي اللجة سلطة كله الله إذا ما حدا يسبلين قبل لا نقرأ كبديت تعمل قريبا صينا ناس كان so لما عندي إذا نايتصوم كنت عموينا أنا نايتصوم سلزهم sorry normally we cook meat, right? Red meat, white, and we call it duros.
Okay.
Something from inside the sheep. Okay. Normally we eat sheep, like lamb. Call it lamb and sheep. So that's what we normally eat, but we are vegan. We don't eat animal product. So we eating all plant-based food.
Perfect.
Bon appetit. Enjoy.
Merci.
There you go. You taste it and then tell me which one is the best. Okay, that's mine.
Okay.
You can stop. She had
it's lentil.
Yeah. This one is lentil with spice. This one is without spice. If you're brave enough, you can eat this.
I'm okay.
Not that brave.
Both of them are really good. That's spinach. I love everything in the plate.
Spinach. This is alija. بعدين سويت زيخة قيح lentil.
It's fabulous. It's really good.
Yeah.
Is that all for us?
4 for you.
I'm not shy.
Good. Eat as much as you can.
I love your bread too.
It's
the
good
way
bread.
to eat it.
This is made 100% organic out. That is like a small grain. It's really healthy. Doesn't stay in the stomach. Doesn't make you fat.
Okay.
The same is plant-based food.
Good. How do you make it?
Oh, it's a long process. To make injera is a long process. But once you make it, it can last you the whole week. Especially every time we eat a lot of injera. Especially me.
Yeah. It's just part of the meal. I mean, you cannot have the rest without that specific bread, and it actually changed the whole taste.
True.
It goes so perfectly with it.
You can have it. This one, I make it with rice, the lentil or the spinach. So every you can make it with rice. Yeah.
It is really good. I love Eritrean food.
Yay!
I love Eritrean music.
Yeah.
And I love
I train her well.
your clothes and fabrics. They are very, very specific to your country.
Yes, beautiful.
I love it.
Thank you. It's comfortable too.
I can't wait to travel.
One day I'll take her to Eritrea, guys. Okay?
You have to.
Yeah. Why not? Oh, I would love to. Don't worry. Soon.
Careful, I bring the whole family.
Why not?
Yeah.
Your husband, your daughter. She's got 1 daughter. I've got 2 daughters.
Yes.
Yeah, with Lily, we met in our work, as I said before.
Yeah.
We laugh together, we party together,
We did.
we cry together.
We did. You always been part of my life when it was.
So did.
Yeah, tricky time.
Oh, yeah, that's what friends for.
Exactly.
Yeah. We've been through so many things, me and her. So that's why I love her, and then that's why I invite her to come in my Easter to enjoy my Easter with me. As we cannot invite the whole family, just I've got my best friend.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, good too.
I love you too.
So good. I couldn't tell you which one I prefer. They are different, and I love them. Oh, is it really, really spicy, or may I just make it
try.
Yeah,
Try one.
I will.
No.
Okay.
Good luck. Get the water ready.
Oh, that's.
No.
It's not that hot. You go more the pepper flavor.
In background, it's very skinny. The chili is very skinny. Once you eat it, boy, you will sweat like crazy.
I can imagine, yeah.
Everything organic.
So how hot is it in Eritrea? Is it really hot country?
It's.
You don't have seasons.
Yeah, we do.
You do?
Yeah, we do
Okay.
have summer and winter. From January to February, March, it's kind of cold.
Hot.
No, cold. When I say cold, it's not like UK cold. Yeah?
What is cold? Because
No, this is crazy cold.
I'm from France, living here. I tell you what is cold.
No, it's like a bit. Around 12, it's always sunny. The good thing is it's always sunny. That's what we miss.
missing.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It's every single day is sunny, even though it's cold, it's sunny. But in the morning, especially in the morning and evening, can get a little bit cold, so you need a jacket. Not a coat. No one wear a coat.
Okay. Yeah.
But just normal jacket. Everyone needs the jacket.
Okay.
And then from April, end of April, May,
Then
start
you
getting
get
warm.
it.
Start getting warm. Around the end of June, July, August, start rain.
Okay.
And around September, all the flowers start coming out. And it's
Yes,
start
you
getting
do
a
have
bit
a
windy.
season.
Yeah, but it's beautiful. It's every single day is sunny.
Ah.
Yeah, every day is sunny.
Oh.
You know what happened when I came to UK? It was around April time.
Shocking time.
Yeah, it was cloudy like this, and now been waiting for the sun to come. I thought it's only in the morning. Before I know, it's like 6 o'clock in the evening. Where is the sun? It's a bit depressing when you come from a very hot country or very sunny country. to come to different countries. It's a lot.
Yeah. When I arrived here, I understood really what was the English, like London weather. Because from abroad, we always think that it's raining all the time here, which I'm not sure agree actually.
It's majority of the time it's raining in the winter time.
With an umbrella or something. What is the London weather for me is like in one day you can have big sun, suddenly you have the rain, and then the sun again. It's just changing throughout the day. It's just you have so many different weather in one single day. This is the English weather, but I don't find that it's raining all the time.
Yeah. It's in the winter time it rains most of the time around.
It's spring.
Yeah.
Wow, this was
It rains on and off. Yeah. That's why it's always green.
Yeah.
You can green, always green.
Very
because
green,
most
indeed.
of the time it rains. And then when it rains the whole day.
Yeah.
And in Eritrea when
Okay.
it rain like
Oh dear, that's it was.
spicy.
That kicked me. Lens, please.
Is it spicy? Oh, that's it. That's the taste of everything, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Good.
So that's the
Good enough.
Can be done.
It is the red one more spicy, isn't it? Or
Yeah.
just- is it?
They're kind of the same.
On my left.
So you can have the salad. You can have the salad. So guys, happy Easter. نقولكم أمانة كريستنا. نقول أنا بما عرفت زبكعنا. ببزلكم خبطت كألكم زبقيكم معقولو. نحواتي. هنا تبتعني خبيتنا أنا حبيت كبير شوية متعنا. تبالنا خليل أبزلنا خليل. كن بتازل أنا ولا شايب لنا لنا ولا ما يسكينا ولا حنت ما قبساري لنا تحبيستنا في الحرام. ماشو يسترسل هنا فاسق أصل هنا حواتي. استرفع بخار مع الكسر متل. أبزن فانو كمينا. إذا ما حزايلو ما عندي علمي أخبار أصل متل. I'm really grateful. Thank you for coming today.
A pleasure. Thank you to invite me.
I'm so happy to introduce you to my family,
Lovely time.
my people, to show you my Easter. So enjoy your Easter, guys. Next time, خلي فيديو ساعة نراقب. Ciao ciao حنكني. رخص بعد Easter. Happy Easter. رخص بعد Easter. رخص. رخص.
Breakfast.
بعد.
Bahal.
أفاسقة.
Afasiga.
Alright. Alright.